Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Legal issues in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity professionals must have the same skills as hackers, especially black hat hackers, in order to protect against attacks. One difference between a hacker and a cybersecurity professional is that the cybersecurity professional must work within legal boundaries. Personal legal issues. You do not even have to be an employee to be subject to cybersecurity laws. In your private life, you may have the opportunity and skills to hack another person's computer or network. There is an old saying, just because you can does not mean you should. Keep this in mind. Most hackers leave tracks, whether they know it or not, and these tracks can be followed back to the hacker. Cybersecurity professionals develop many skills which can be used for good or evil. Those who use their skills within the legal system, to protect infrastructure, networks, and privacy are always in high demand. Corporate legal issues. Most countries have some cybersecurity laws in place. They may have to do with critical infrastructure, networks, and corporate and individual privacy. Businesses are required to abide by these laws. In some cases, if you break cybersecurity laws while doing your job, it is the company that may be punished and you could lose your job. In other cases, you could be prosecuted, fined, and possibly sentenced. In general, if you are confused about whether an action or behavior might be illegal, assume that it is illegal and do not do it. Your company may have a legal department or someone in the human resources department who can answer your questions before you do something illegal. International law in cybersecurity. The area of cybersecurity law is much newer than cybersecurity itself. As mentioned before, most countries have some laws in place, and there will be more laws to come.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.